Hey there, health enthusiasts! If you've ever experienced vertigo, you know just how disruptive it can be. That feeling of the world spinning around you can make even the simplest tasks seem impossible. But what if I told you there's a natural way to say goodbye to vertigo for good? Today, I want to share a breakthrough that has been making waves in the health community. This isn't about another prescription drug or invasive treatment, but a dietary supplement that's changing lives. Imagine waking up every morning feeling balanced and ready to take on the day, without the fear of sudden dizziness. This supplement is packed with all natural ingredients that work together to support your inner ear health. It's like giving your vestibular system a much-needed boost. One of the key ingredients is Ginkgo biloba, known for its ability to improve blood flow to the brain and inner ear. This can help reduce those dizzy spells and keep your balance in check. But that's not all. This supplement also includes ginger root, an ancient remedy that's been used for centuries to combat nausea and motion sickness. By calming your stomach and reducing inflammation, ginger can help you feel steady on your feet again. Another powerhouse ingredient is magnesium. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in nerve function and muscle health, supporting your body's natural equilibrium. And let's not forget vitamin B6, which helps regulate your body's fluid balance and ensures your inner ear is functioning smoothly. Now, you might be wondering, how soon can I expect to see results? Well, many people have reported feeling a difference within just a few days of starting this supplement. Of course, everyone's body is different, but the key is consistency. Stick with it, and you'll likely notice a significant improvement in your symptoms. It's also important to pair this supplement with a healthy lifestyle. Make sure you're staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and getting regular exercise. These habits can help maximize the benefits of the supplement and keep your vertigo at bay. So, if you're tired of feeling like the world is spinning out of control, why not give this natural solution a try? Say goodbye to vertigo and hello to a life of balance and stability. Remember, the journey to better health starts with a single step, or in this case, a single supplement. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, more balanced you.